Okay, hey guys, it's me, Caleb, today, and this right here is the southern ground hornbill. Is that correct? So,
Make it quiet.
it was making noise just some seconds ago.
Say yeah. Be good.
Wait a minute. It stopped making noises. That's a girl. What? That's a girl. Yeah? Okay. Okay, that's the weirdest bird I've heard in my life. And seen. Wow. That's actually the weirdest bird I've seen in my life. Like, that bird's actually making that noise. It's cool but weird. This is like what is it? Elephants, bears. Oh, we didn't get to see the bears. If you saw last video, guys, then elephants were actually fighting. Some of them were bleeding. Well, actually, two of them were. And guys, subscribe and like this channel. Either like the video or subscribe. You can pick either one. I'm just still on my way to hit 1 million subscribers. And guys, go subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Kayla Maryland. It is spelled like this: KALEB space MARYLAND.
I see bubbles, baby.
Walk it like I talk it. 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 I can walk a mile. What you can't do. What else?